The object of this little exercise is to center up a small disc in two directions. Okay, first I'm going to center it with a piece of the tailstock. Okay, now we have it fairly well centered in that direction, and now before we tighten things, I want to get the other center to it. Which is a ball bearing on the end of a piece of key stock, and I'll bring it up against the piece with the lathe under power. Now if I gently touch it, now we're running very through on the face. Now we'll get an indicator, indicate the bore. Now this simple little lever mechanism allows the indication to be done in the bore. Now we have to come my direction. So I'll loosen, barely loosen this one, tighten this one. That's plus or minus a half a thousand, which is pretty good for that rough bore. Now, we have the unit, the little part. Now we're not quite on the OD, but on the face. So let's go back and run the face up. I don't think we're that tight. We can still move, I believe. Too tight, I'm going to have to leave it. Now we're centered, now we're running good. Now we can go back and check the bore. That bore almost looks like it had a tap in it. Well, that's pretty good.